of man if you follow me. If you follow me, if you follow me, I will make you fishers of men if you follow me.
Throughout this week we've been learning stewardship. And stewardship is the responsibility of taking care of things that God has entrusted to us.
Building up the temple of the Lord. Come, Father, help me. Come, Mother, help me. Building up the temple of the Lord.
Everything, both great and small, He gave His life for me, made everything new. He is my everything.
Keep waiting.
Now how about you? We girls are going to heaven, won't you boys come too? We girls are going to heaven, won't you boys come too? Wave me on the blue.
Boys, thank you for the invitation. We're coming to. Come on, boys. Thank you for the invitation. We're coming to. Thank you for the invitation. We're coming to. Where we are.